Okay, hi to my YouTube channel. Um, Fixing the water heater today. A month ago, the water heater stopped working. I took out the bottom element of the water heater. Of course, it was fried like that. Put the new one side by side. This is the old one. This is the new one. Bought me a wrench from the local hardware store so I could take the element out. Easy worth it. Screw that out, and I just pushed a new element into the water heater with all that lime buildup in there, and it only lasted a month. And I tried various ways to clean the water heater from that lime buildup, because that lime buildup ruins the element really fast, and serviceman would want to replace the water heater. And I cleaned my mom and dad's water heater like this. Only way I found is take it off, put it on your deck or some other place, take the top and bottom elements out, and put water in there. Stick a water hose in there and slosh it around. I'm going to show you a little bit how that looks when I do that. See that? Bunch of that lime slushing out. So I don't know what's the easiest way to clean one out, but that's how I do it. I tried a vacuum cleaner, it didn't work. This way you can rock it back and forth and get all that lime buildup out for a long life heating element, hopefully. So I hope you enjoy this YouTube, and hopefully it's helpful.